What's up, guys? Welcome back to the RN Redneck underscore 14 or 4 year, whatever it's called. So this Honda Foreman right here. Last night my sister was riding it, parked it up there, left it, didn't put it in park, and this is a new ride, by the way. She didn't leave it in park, and I pull up and I see 4 tires upside down. So the deal is, look at these fuses. If you can't see, that thing's totally burnt. Now, I know you're not supposed to do that. The gas smells like a sewer or a pond. A whole bunch of that stuff in there. Motor's just terrible. But yeah, it was like out in the middle of that, and it's like freezing. The front end, for me dragging it with the XMR, not XMR, Cam-Man outlander. Whole frame's bent. Rear end's messed up. That's basically what happened. Water all up in there. I see what the back end of this thing is. There's my bug spray for hunting season. Some shotgun cells. Some water. This smells like sunscreen now. Yeah. Oh, here's a good hat. There's a knife. Looks like a 300 Winchester Magnum shell. That's when my dipping days, like when I was like 11, I started dipping this little container. There's a jig back there. Let's see what this. I know this is caked with water. As soon as I opened it up, not as much. I guess that seal's still good. That's ruined. Lights won't even turn on. Oil. Oh yeah, oil. Yeah, look at this thing. It's oil. Now, how you know this stuff's bad? Because oil normally don't drip off, and normally if you look close enough, there'll be little bubbles in there. But in my case, yeah, there's a little bubble. This phone ain't gonna be able to pick it up. Maybe. And a stick's lodged up in there. So, if I'm gonna get this thing running, I got a lot of work to do. So, I'm just gonna stay with the old Can-Am. Oh. Alright, well that sums up for today's video, and catch y'all on the next one. My voice is about out there. Just started happening, like, really. Oh, is this thing still recording?